Here, same salary only, same expenses only, but small changes in his daily routine over a period of time, multiple changes are going to be happen. That's why, so salary is only the beginning. The beginning, skills, savings, planning, and extra income create real growth. Create real growth. That thing must be required for you people, right? Okay. So let me go for one employee story. Employee related story. Suresh is a business owner. This is the business owner related. Suresh is a business owner. He works very hard, morning to night. Customers, staff problems, payments, calls, suppliers, daily pressure. Money comes into the business. Because morning to evening, the full busy man, money comes into the business. But still, Suresh is always having the tension. Why? Because he don't know where the money is going. Sales happening, so business is okay. I will check accounts later. First, let me expand, then I will plan. Profit will automatically come. If my revenue is high, I'm successful. Okay, but this type of thinking not going to work out. At the end of the month, rent pending, salaries pressure, vendor payments, personal savings is zero, tax tension, loan pressure, all these things by default will be there, even though that person is working from morning to evening. So, n number of examples we can cover, man. N number of examples we can cover. But only thing is, you should require to improve one skill compulsory if you want financial freedom. If you want wealth creation, what is that skill is? You should know how money works. Okay, that thing must be required.